Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cover the foundational element of manifestation and how to use it to achieve your dream physique. If you've been struggling to eat better and work out more often, then adding this 5 to 10 minute simple process daily will help you become a person who effortlessly eats healthy and actually enjoys working out. This process is based off of the book The Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard, and it's very short but extremely powerful. It explains how your world and all within it is your conditioned consciousness, objectified, and how to recondition your mind to change your current reality through feeling. If applied to your fitness journey, you can recondition your mind to think, feel, and believe, and therefore act as if you're already someone with your dream physique. If someone who is extremely fit, for example, had the option between a fruit platter or a cupcake, they would automatically choose the fruit 9 out of 10 times. This is because being fit and healthy is a part of their identity and it is ingrained in their subconscious mind, so it's just automatic. The path to ingraining a new belief system and a new healthy and fit identity into your mind is through what Neville Goddard covers in his book, Feeling the Feeling You'd Have If You Already Achieved Your Goal. First, let's simply cover the two parts that create your consciousness to understand why this method is effective. So we have your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. The conscious mind is aware and can actively create ideas that impress the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind expresses all that is impressed on it, no matter if it's good, bad, or indifferent. Your conscious mind is selective and personal, while your subconscious mind is non-selective and impersonal, meaning your conscious mind actively chooses what to focus on and can separate what's reality and what isn't. Your subconscious mind is non-selective and simply expresses whatever you impress on it. It also doesn't know the difference between what is reality and what isn't, and it can't process negatives. So for example, if I told you to not think of a purple elephant, you'd have to think of a purple elephant in order to attempt to not think of it. In the same way, if you say to yourself that you're fat and ugly on a daily basis, even if in a jokingly manner, your subconscious mind will only understand that you're saying, I am fat and ugly, and will act accordingly because our behavior is directly related to our subconscious beliefs. So new beliefs equals new behavior. As you can see in this triangle by Gandhi, your beliefs affect your thoughts affect your words affect your actions create your habits, and your habits create your values, and your values determine your destiny. On the other hand, if you constantly affirm how beautiful and fit you are, your conscious mind will impress that onto your subconscious mind, and you will begin to think, act, and behave as if you're beautiful and fit. So through your power to imagine and feel and the freedom to choose which ideas you entertain, you have the power over your reality that you create. Another way to reiterate this is one of my favorite quotes by James Allen. Mind is the master that molds and makes, and man is mind and evermore he takes. He thinks in secret and it comes to pass. Environment is but his looking glass. So in other words, our life is a direct reflection of our subconscious beliefs. And if you want to change your current reality, you need to reprogram your mind through emotion. Neville says a change of feeling is a change of destiny. As you can see, feeling reprograms our beliefs, which creates our destiny. So to impress the subconscious mind with the desirable state, you must assume the feeling that would be yours had you already realized your wish. Your emotions are literally energy in motion, and feeling these powerful, amazing emotions you'd feel will be the energy and motivation you seek to fulfill on the practical things you need to do, like constantly going to the gym and eating more healthy. It's important that your only concern is with the objective of your end goal and not to be concerned with the process or the difficulties required to get there. When you dwell on the how and the possible difficulties that you need to overcome, the non-selective nature of your subconscious mind will accept those feelings as a request and will proceed to produce them in your outer world and literally create difficulties and stuff you have to overcome. The two mediums that you'll use to help you in realizing your desired states are going to be sleep and meditation or prayer. So right before you go to sleep, you enter a theta state where your brain waves slow down and your subconscious mind is most easily impressed. While in bed each night, it would be very wise for you to relax. And once you feel very relaxed, start imagining the end result of your dream physique and how would you feel. Imagine you are looking at yourself in a tall stand-up mirror and you look fit, toned, radiant, healthy, and most importantly, happy. Another good way to do this is to imagine a friend, stranger, or family member coming up to you and telling you how incredible you look. Focus on the feeling you'd have as if you already achieved that physique right now in the present moment, not the future. Do not focus on how you'll get there, just focus on how amazing you look in your mind's eye and the feelings that you'd feel. Then allow yourself to simply fall asleep and do not get on your phone or do anything else after that. These need to be your last thoughts before you fall asleep. The second medium is through prayer or gratitude and meditation. These are other ways to enter a theta state. You can simply sit still and focus on your breath for a few minutes before visualizing your goals and the feelings that they bring if they were already here. Or you can follow a guided meditation for the daytime meditations. For example, I personally like to listen to manifestation meditations that you can literally simply Google on YouTube. The key here is to be thankful that your goals are already here and to simply focus on how good it feels that your fitness goals are already realized. If you also prefer prayer and speaking out louder in your head, get into a relaxed state and focus solely on sincerely thanking God or the universe for helping you achieve your dream physique and focus on how amazing it feels. I guarantee that if you do this 2 times a day, every day, once for 5 to 10 minutes before you're about to go to sleep and another time for about 5 to 10 minutes after you wake up, you'll begin to see your life literally change before your eyes. You'll find it so much easier to go to the gym and more effortless to choose healthy options. You will eventually recondition your mind to be someone who is fit and healthy and will achieve your dream physique much, much more quickly. Also remember that consistency is key. It took you a while to create your current beliefs and habits, so it's going to take some time to reprogram them, so you got to be patient. So I hope you guys found this video beneficial in any way, and if so, please do not forget to like this video and to subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I think to myself, what a wonderful world.